Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been many days that I've posted a video, but today it's a special video. Today, as you have read in the caption, it's the delivery video for my Meteor 350 custom black, which I booked in March, but I have to wait a long time and got the delivery in August. So you'll find so many accessories in this showroom. In not this, all the showrooms, and they are like top-notch quality. I have seen that and bought few. That video also will come in future. I'm really excited seeing all this stuff over here. Oh my god, just want to buy everything. This color was unique actually. But overall I liked Meteor 350 more. This was one of the bike which was available that time when I was booking. Even if I wanted, I would have got in 1 week time. But I liked black color, that too pure black, glossy. I thought that will be good, and believe me, the black looks stunning. That's just my personal opinion, not for everyone. Here's the booking form. I'm really very excited. So for booking the bike, we paid 10,000 rupees for booking amount, that was, and then there was a waiting time for almost 4 to 5 months. But the time from booking to the delivery, oh, that is just unbearable time. I'm so excited. So the booking form was done, and as it was done, I have received a message from Royal Enfield about my interest in Royal Enfield, and after some time again I got a message for the booking confirmation. It's just like when a small kid goes to a toy store. That was the same feeling when I was there in the showroom, seeing all these bikes all around. Just want to take everything at home. Yeah, after I think so 4-5 minutes, I've got the message for the booking confirmation. This is the time when I took the test ride of Royal Enfield, and I felt, yeah, this is the one which I want. I've taken test ride of Himalayan, Interceptor, Continental, all the 350, Classic, everything, but Meteor is the one which I wanted. And yes, this is August, the time when I came for delivery. Oh my god, you can see my face. I'm so excited, nervous, everything. But so many bookings were there, so many deliveries were happening that day. This showroom is located in Electronic City, nearby Kudlu Gate. Mr. Gagan was really helpful over there. He explained everything properly, and he was in constant in touch with me why the delay is happening, what's the background work going on, what is the total process, everything. I was asking for, are we going to put some black cloth on that bike like everybody does that, and then I'll pull it off. He said, yeah, we'll do that. Again, some more paperwork. There are lots and lots of paperwork has to happen. Although that bike came 10-15 days before, but I didn't take the delivery since the number was not allotted. That RC has to be there, the number has to be allotted. Then only I can ride the bike. And what is the use of taking the delivery when you can't even drive it? So I waited for more 10-15 days for the number to come. That's what Mr. Gagan is explaining. And finally, the actual time came to reveal the bike. Yay! It's time to do the first ride. Wow, the feel is just amazing. Immediately after taking the delivery, we went and did small puja for the bike, that is customary, and that's how it was. So I hope to see you guys in future again. I will come with more videos of the accessories which I kept, of the things which I have installed on the bike, and more rides in future I have planned. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you very much again.